How to stop someone from saving your snaps in Snapchat. If any day any of you are a Snapchat user and you would like to stop someone from saving your snaps in Snapchat, there are some of the ways. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Snapchat application, and after that, you have to go to the very option of your profile section on the top and then go to the option of the settings. After you tap on the option of the settings, you can just scroll down until you find the option of stopping the very snap to be saved. But if you see here, you cannot find any of the option because the very Snapchat has not brought the very option of not being able to just save any of the snaps in the Snapchat. But what you can do is you can just send the very message to any of your friend to not save your various sign of snaps in Snapchat, because in Snapchat there is a very nice feature that you'll be able to know whenever any of the person is trying to save your snap in the Snapchat. So you can just stop the person by sending a message that please do not save my snap in the Snapchat, and this way whenever the person will be trying to save your Snapchat in the Snapchat there, or try to save your snaps in the Snapchat, you will know about it, and you will just know when you're the person is saving your snap, and it will save you from saving your snaps in the Snapchat. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.